The Garden of Your Mind book by Joseph Murphy. Joseph Murphy, a prominent figure in the field of self-help and positive thinking. The Garden of Your Mind serves as a guide to cultivating a positive mental landscape that can lead to a fulfilling life. By understanding the power of your subconscious mind and actively nurturing it, you can create a fulfilling and successful life. 1. The power of the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool that influences your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors. The subconscious works silently, taking in everything you think and believe. Practice mindfulness to become aware of your thoughts. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. 2. Planting seeds of positivity. Just like a garden, your mind needs to be tended to with care to flourish. Every thought is a seed that can grow into a belief. Positive thoughts cultivate a positive reality. Begin a daily practice of gratitude to reinforce positive thinking. Visualize your goals to strengthen your belief in achieving them. 3. The law of attraction. What you focus on expands. Your thoughts attract similar experiences. Focusing on abundance invites more abundance into your life. Your mental attitude can shape your reality. Create a vision board that reflects your goals and desires. Meditate on positive outcomes to attract them into your life. 4. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are like weeds in your garden. They need to be removed to allow for growth. Identify beliefs that hold you back. Write down your limiting beliefs and analyze their origin. Replace them with empowering affirmations that reinforce your abilities. 5. The role of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. Your mind cannot distinguish between real experiences and vividly imagined ones. Regular visualization can enhance motivation and performance. Dedicate time each day to visualize your success in vivid detail. 6. The importance of faith. Faith in your abilities and outcomes can propel you toward success. Trusting in the process creates a sense of security and opens doors. Faith acts as a magnet for positive outcomes. Develop a daily affirmation practice to build faith in yourself. Reflect on past successes to reinforce your belief in your capabilities. Lesson 7. Affirmations and their impact. Affirmations are powerful statements that can reprogram your subconscious mind. Consistent affirmation practice can lead to significant life changes. Affirmations should be specific, positive, and present tense. Create a list of affirmations that resonate with your goals. Repeat these affirmations daily, ideally in front of a mirror. 8. The impact of environment. Your environment influences your thoughts and feelings. Surrounding yourself with positive influences enhances your mindset. A clutter-free space promotes clarity and focus. 9. The art of letting go. Letting go of past grievances and failures is crucial for growth. Holding on to negativity stunts your progress. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for emotional freedom. Practice forgiveness exercises, either through journaling or meditation. 10. The journey of self-discovery. Understanding yourself is key to harnessing the power of your mind. Self-reflection helps clarify your desires and intentions. A deeper understanding of yourself leads to authentic living.